Now I go back to my HTML file. To create the second row, I select and copy the code from the 16th line to the 33rd line of the container-fluid museum div in the first row we created. Then come to the 34th line and paste it. Look, we got another row like the previous row in the preview. Now let's change the images, heading and paragraph. Instead of the heading in line 36, type as the Metropolitan Museum, and instead of France as the country where the museum is located, type as Art, New York, USA. In line 40, instead of imgsrc, copy and paste the URL containing img5.jpg from assets. Right, the rounded image was added to the preview. Now let's create the other circle images. Come to the line 24 and instead of imgsrc, go to assets and copy the URL of this img6.jpg and paste it here. Now instead of the paragraph in line 41, type as the death and change the designer's name as of Socrates. Now come to line 44 and instead of imgsrc, go to assets and copy the URL called img7.jpg and paste it here. In line 45, change the design name to Gertrude Stein and remove the BR tag next to it, and then, because I put the name of the design here, I remove the unnecessary things that way. Now to add the last image, I go to assets and copy the img8.jpg URL and paste it instead of the URL of imgsrc in the 48th line. In line 49, type as young mother where the name of the design is and change it to sewing instead of the name of the designer after the BR tag. Okay friends, now we have finished coding our responsive museum web page. Let's go to the preview in the new window and reload the page. Good, isn't it? Now I click on the dot on the top right corner of the screen and move the cursor to More Tools below. Now click on Developer Tools at the bottom of the open bars. Now the view of our web page has changed. On the upper side where the web page is visible, you can see a small down arrow icon below with an option called Dimension Responsive. When we click on it, we can see below some screen types related to different models of different devices like phones and tablets. Look, when you click on each of these separately, the way elements on our web page are extremely changed. So this is what we hope for after creating a responsive web page. So friends, our lesson is over for today. In the next lesson, let's learn more about bootstraps, classes, and how to use them. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the number 07681252244. Tell your friends about the creation. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ best of every week, once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to give all the guidance for that. If you want to start DP Coding Clubs in any school where computer labs are available, make a request to the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson with DP Coding School. Have a good day.